I'm measuring 36 inches, which is 1 yard of fabric. I cut it in the middle. I measured 2 inches, but off camera I actually measured 3 inches. Next, I pinned the fabric. Where I'm pointing, that's where you need to sew. Next, you need to fold the fabric in half, and then you want to match the seams up and then pin. And then sew. Where I'm pointing at, that's where you need to sew. Next, you want to measure an inch or more, depends on how thick your cord is. Next, sew. Where I'm pointing at, that's where you need to sew. Next, you want to feed through the string so both strings meet.